Hey guys, this is the 4-Point Sheraton Cocoa Beach. Right near the cruise port. It does look kind of dark in here, and it's because this room overlooks, let me turn some light on here. This room overlooks the surf shop. I don't know if you can see that. It overlooks the surf shop, Ron John Surf Shop. And then below is the restaurant. So you're looking down at the restaurant, and you look up, that's Ron John's Surf Shop. So you can see better. And that's the way the room looks. Basic room, clean. Sure it's gonna be comfortable. I will take some more footage when we get outside, or when we get out in the hallway downstairs, so you can see better what all is out there. But coming in from the Uber, just from the airport, I did see a Winn-Dixie. I saw what else did we see? We saw Winn-Dixie, Walgreens, and McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. So this is different. This is the window overlooking Ron John Surf Shop that we can see right out of the window right here in the hotel room. Look right out there. I might go over there. They said staying in the hotel, you get a 15% discount off anything that costs more than $20. And I do enjoy the Ron John t-shirts, the short sleeve tees and the long sleeve tees. So I just might make my way over there at some point this evening. All right, I really like this shirt. I like that color red. And I really like this shirt here too. I think these are my two favorite ones. This is just so soft. $24.95. I think I might have to get me one of these shirts. I don't know, these men's sizes or lady sizes? That I don't know. Men's sizes or lady sizes? Gotta figure that out. So here I like a lot. Here, let me take a look at that. I like this red shirt. I'm just a sucker for shirts. I like that red. Okay, yep, so that's going home with me. What about these totes? Escape mode. It's got a zipper on the top. That's pretty cool. Hey friends. So we just came downstairs from the hotel, and as you can see, Ron John's surf shop is right downstairs in the hotel, which is pretty cool. I did go in there get me a shirt, and I'll let y'all see that later. But anyway, we're walking across the street now. There's a Walgreens, there's a Winn-Dixie, and a couple other places. But this is the Ron John shop. It's a huge, 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 huge place. Okay, so now we're across the street from the hotel. So if you can see over there, that Ron John surf shop is huge. All of that is Ron John's. And then the hotel is over there where you see 4 Point Sheraton. That's the hotel, and it is connected to Ron John's, as you can see from the window I showed you in the room. So now we're across the street, and there's a McDonald's, a Winn-Dixie, and there's a Walgreens over there to the right. Now I know we're gonna get something to eat from McDonald's. Not looking to spend a whole lot of money on dinner tonight, so McDonald's it is, and save all the partying for the ship. So not even sure what I'm picking up at Walgreens, but water for one. Just a few bottles of water to have in the room for tonight. Where are you going? Where are you going? All right, so we just came into McDonald's to get something to eat. There I am. Okay. Still learning this camera. I just got this DJI camera, and I'm kind of slow learning it, but I'm getting there. Anyway, we just came into McDonald's to get something to eat, and we're gonna walk it back over to the hotel. Okay. So now we just left McDonald's, and we're going across the street back to the hotel. And again, this is the 4 Points by Sheraton. This was a really good choice because there's so much that's so close by it. It's just so convenient. As you can see, Ron John is taking this whole neighborhood. I mean, Ron John goes all the way down the street. All right. Here we are across the street. There it is. I gotta practice angling up and down. Okay. So here is Ron John. What door did we come out? Oh, we came out of that door. We can go back through the store. So Ron John is connected to the hotel. But yeah, so I just got this DJI about a week ago. And I have to practice. It's not the door we came in. We came in the door over there. This place is huge. Okay, we can go around this way. I would definitely stay here again. If you're taking a cruise out of Port Canaveral, this is a good choice. Air conditioning feels good. This is like a maze. Like a maze to get out. And this is a restaurant that's right next to it, and a bar, which I don't think we'll be eating there. And now, coming through, this way gets us to the hotel. Good morning, friends. It's cruise day finally. On the last video I talked about how I wanted a boardwalk balcony and I was on an ocean view balcony. Well, I called and asked if they had any boardwalk balconies left, and the woman said yes. And so I asked if I could switch to one without having to pay any more money, and she puts me on hold. She's got to speak to her manager, and then she comes back and says it's a downgrade. Why would you want to downgrade? Well, I don't know why I needed to explain that, but I did. I told her the reasons why I enjoyed the boardwalk balcony, and so she goes back to her manager again, and she comes back and says, well, you know, it's a downgrade, but you'd have to pay $180, which made no sense to me. So I said to her, well, you just said it was a downgrade, so why am I paying $180 more? So that's just the way it is. Okay, so I hung up. I waited another 24 hours. I called back. I asked the same question. This lady was so nice. She had 3 boardwalk balconies available, and she let me get one for no additional charge. So everything's taken care of there. I've got the cabin that I want. All right, so we make it down to Orlando. We got here yesterday, staying at a hotel on Cocoa Beach, staying at the 4-Point Sheraton on Cocoa Beach. It is really nice. It's connected to Ron John's surfboard shop, which is huge. I mean, it just goes up and down the street. This shop is so big. But anyway, it's really convenient to shops across the street. We have a Walgreens, a McDonald's, a Winn-Dixie, and then a couple of other small shops. So if you stay here before cruise, it's really, really convenient. Oh, and there's a Starbucks, a full Starbucks right downstairs. So if you happen to stay here before cruise, it's very convenient. It's very close to the cruise port. We're just minutes away from Port Canaveral. So it's a good place to stay before cruise. But anyway, we're going to be leaving in just a little bit for the cruise port. I forgot to get cash, so I need to go and get some cash so I can tip the porters when we get there. So I'm going to do that now, and then after that we're just going to head right out to the cruise port. But I'll keep you all up on what's going on, and I'll have pictures to share in some vlog too. So everyone have a good day. Okay.